my dear ideal students. I am your English teacher, Jayashree Shetty, Government Higher Primary School, Kochodi, Bhatkal. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel for more videos. Click the bell icon for notification. Come on, my dear ideal student. Let us learn unit number 2, buildings. In that, we are going to learn the poem The Rooks, written by Jane Eupemia. I am going to recite the poem. Listen carefully. The rooks are building on the trees, they build there every spring. Caw, caw is all they say, for none of them can sing. Caw, caw is all they say, for none of them can sing. They are up before the break of day and up till late at night, for they must labor busily as long as it is light. For they must labor busily as long as it is light. And many a crooked stick they bring, and many a slender twig, and many a tuft of moss until their nests are round and big. And many a tuft of moss until their nests are round and big. Caw, caw, oh what a noise they make in rainy weather. Good children always speak by turns, but rooks all talk together. Good children always speak by turns, but rooks all talk together. The rooks are building on the trees, they build there every spring. Caw, caw is all they say, for none of them can sing. Caw, caw is all they say, for none of them can sing. New words. Rooks, a black bird of the crow family. Labor, work hard. Crooked, not straight or bent or curved. Slender, thin. Twig, a small, dry, woody piece fallen from a branch. Tuft, a piece of hair or grass. Moss, a very small green yellow plant. Let us understand the poem. The rooks is a bird from a crow family. It looks like a crow. Dear students, have you ever seen the bird building nest? The rooks build nest on tree every spring. They can't sing, but they make caw, caw noise. They get up before break of the day. Means they get up early in the morning and work till late at night. Work hard and tired day to make their nest. To build their nest, the rooks use bent sticks or crooked sticks, thin grasses and green leaves to make their nest round and big. In rainy weather, they make caw, caw noise so that we can't hear such a noisy, really irritating sound. We know that our good children speak at least one after other, but the rooks all talk together. The rooks really work hard to build their nest. They work whole day, not even taking rest. Dear students, I hope you all understood the poem, The Rooks. Open your page number 22. Speak or read aloud. Answer that following by saying yes or no. Then reply with a short answer. For example, yes, they can. No, they can't. Next, say in a sentence, one has been done for you. First one, can the rooks build their nest? Answer, yes. Yes, they can. Yes, they can build their nest. Number 2, do the rooks sing? Answer, no. No, they can't sing. Next, are they up in the morning? Answer, yes. Yes, they are up before the morning. Are they busy all the day? Answer, yes. Yes, they are busy all the day. Fifth, are their nests made of paper? Answer, no. No, the nests are made up of slender twig and a tuft of moss. Sixth one, do they talk alone? Answer, no. No, they all talk cow cow. Open your page number 23. Write well. First one, read and take a look at the pictures, then fill in the blanks. First one, the rooks build their dash on the dash. The rooks build their nests on the trees. Second one, they are up before the dash. They are up before the morning. Third one, they build their nest with dash, a slender twig and a tuft of moss. Third one, they build their nest with sticks, a slender twig and a tuft of moss. Fourth one, the nest look dash and big. The nest look round and big. They all talk cow cow. Second one, complete the following passage by choosing appropriate words from the brackets. The rooks are black crow-like birds. They build their nest in every spring. They are up before the break of the day. They bring many crooked sticks, slender twigs and tuft of moss to build their nest round and big. They crow cow cow in the rainy weather. All the rooks talk together and they don't wait for others to speak, unlike you good children. Page number 24. Sing and enjoy. Potatoes are red, beans are green, a brinjal has a crown just like a queen. Potatoes are brown, onions are pink, carrots have juice which I can drink. Vegetables make me healthy and wise, so eat vegetables daily with roti and rice. Page number 25. Now read the following poem and fill in the blanks with the words given below. Then recite. Words given: top, me, sit, hopes, stops, sings. When the sun shines, I can see my shadow right in front of me. When I walk, my shadow walks. When I hope, my shadow hopes. When I jump, my shadow jumps. And when I stop, my shadow stops. Please like, share and comment. Subscribe my channel Ideal Students for more videos. Click the bell icon for notification. Thank you.